So, here are my resin creations today. That one's upside down still, I think. So, but yeah, it's pretty on that side. Let's see, I'll show you the other side. That's the other side. So, I love that mica powder. It's very beautiful. And this one, I used ruby colored alcohol ink and layered it with the mica powder, and I really love it. It's really amazing colors. And I made a lid because I didn't have another mold handy, and I wanted to see how the lid would, it's the pumpkin lid, but I don't know, I'm sure it could be used by itself. It's like a stand or something. It's very pretty. Oh, and actually it could be a stand for this bowl over here, which I made with brown and red. So it's also very pretty. Okay, and the lid for that is over here. It needs a little, I have a little fixing I have to do, but not much. And it's also, it doesn't fit quite right onto the bowl yet, but oh well, it fits that way. Yeah, these things are so beautiful. You know, they're imperfect, but they're, as far as being handmade objects, they are perfect because I made them. Well, I'm going off camera here. Okay, so I'm going to get this one. I started getting it out of the mold, and I got the little corners off. So I don't know how hard this will be to do with one hand, but I think maybe this lid might come off. Well, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second, and let's see if there's, I'll tell you what, there's no good way to do this, so I'll just stick it on there for a second. I can't do it with one hand. I have to pull it off the top. So I'm going to pull it off. This is not easy, this part. Okay. Should have taken it off before. Okay, so here is the lid for the candy dish. I was worried about the gold, but I don't think the gold is a problem. The gold looks beautiful, and I'll show you the other side. I'm sorry, I'm going all over the off camera, but this is what the top looks like. It's quite heavy. It's got a nice weight to it, and yeah, the colors. I put the kind of a greenish blue, and yeah, I can't do this with one hand, unfortunately, but there's the greenish blue color, and there's, well, certain lights, you know, there's purple and greenish blue, but it depends on which way you're looking at it. But from the top, it's just a gorgeous mold, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I put that here, and I'm gonna have to get this one out. This is the bottom, and I'll have to turn off the camera for this because it's too hard to do like that. But there are the things, kind of all sort of among my other messes here, and yeah, there we are. That's it for this video.